One swell day at the bank. Hello, I'm going to deposit and withdraw my money to the teller at the bank today. Hello, little lady. I am also going to do that at the bank. Wow, what are the odds? I sure hope no big birds come and get us today. Did you hear that? Oh my God! It's a bird! And it's huge! I'm gonna eat you guys, okay? And then I'm gonna put you in my specimen jars, okay? And what are you gonna do about it? She's gone. Oh, why'd you do that, bird? It was inconsiderate of you. She had a family. Don't worry, I'll shit her out before I put her in my specimen jar, you see. It's a crazy little contraption. That sounds metal. Why am I out of focus? Here is the jar. It's got some liquid in there, some preservatives. Pretty metal, dude. Thank you. I'm a snake. My name is Snaky, and I'm here to save the day. Thank God, a hero. No need to thank me. Here I go. Got him. And thwack. Killed him. Got him. He is dead now for sure. Wow, you did an awesome job at that time. They're still dead though. The bank. There was a car pileup at the bank then.